ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Can repeat. अल्पाक्षरम् असंदिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असंदिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम्
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अयुन्
अयुन्
ऋलुक्
ऋलुक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औच्
ऐऔच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लन्
यमाङ्गणम्
ञामाङ्गणम्
जभै
जभै
घढधश्
गढधश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खपचठथ चठतौ
चटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
अकुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
तुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऊपु उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ऊपु उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
नानां नासिका च
ञामाणानां नासिका च
एदैतो गो कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तोगो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौ तोः कण्ठोष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः
रामेण विहता निशाचरचमूः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
ओ राम मामुद्धर
भो राम मामुद्धर
रामः रामौ रामाः
रामः रामौ रामाः
हरिः हरिहरयः
हरिः हरयः
गुरवः
गुरवः
पिता पितरौ पितरः
पिता पितरौ पितरः
कर्ता कर्तारौ कर्तारः
कर्ता कर्तारौ कर्तारः
एषः एतौ एते
एषः एतौ एते
अयम् इमौ इमे
अयम् इमौ इमे
सह तौ ते
सह तौ ते
कः कौ के
कः कौ के
रमा रमे रमाः
रमा रमे रमाः
नदी नद्यौ नद्यः
नदी नद्यौ नद्यः
मतिः मती मतयः
मतिः मती मतयः
धेनुः धेनु धेनवः
धेनु धेनु धेनवः
वधूः वध्वौ वध्वः
वधूः वधवौ वधवः
माता मातरौ मातरः
माता मातरौ मातरः
एषा एते एताः
एषा एते
एताः
एताः
इयम् इमे इमाः
इयम् इमे इमाः
ता ते ताः
सा ते ताः
का के काः
का के काः
फलं फले फलानि
फलं फले फलानि
एतत् एते एतानि
एतत्
एते
एतानि
इदम् इमे इमानि
इदम् इमे इमानि
तत्तेतानि
तत्तेतानि
किं के कानि
किं
किं
के
कानि
We will continue the abhyasa, the practice. This from this book, from the first lesson onwards. Just we can quickly go through this. Yes, Kumaji, you can read.
Yes, Guruji. प्रथमः स्तपकः एषः बालकः सः बालकः
One minute. Yeah,
एषः सिंहः सः सिंहः
you understand the meaning, right?
Yes. This
All of
is a
you.
boy. This is a boy.
Yeah. Yeshaha is Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam of the Pullinga Shabda, Etad, referring to that which is close. And the Saha, that Shabda, Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam, Pullingam of the Pullinga Shabda, that Shabda, referring to that which is away, far away. So, simple exercises. You can quickly read this, and you need to know the words. So we are developing vocabulary now by reading this. So
Okay.
you need to remember the words Vanara, Simha, because we are going to use these words in our translation.
एषः वानरः. This is a monkey. सः वानरः. That is a monkey. एषः गजः. That is this is elephant. सः गजः. That is an elephant.
Yes. Next person, Deepika ji.
जी गुरुजी एषः बालकः this is a boy सः वृद्धः that is a old man एषः सिंहः this is a lion सः हरिणः that is a मृगः एषः वानरः this is a monkey सः भल्लुकः that is a bear
Yeah.
एषः गजः this is an elephant सः अश्वः that is a horse
Subbalakshmi ji.
oh sorry
Each one of you can read one page.
एषः मयूरः
Yeah.
एषः मयूरः this is a peacock सः शुकः that is a parrot एषः दण्डः that is
This is a stick.
stick सः वृक्षः that is a tree. I'm not able to see this. एषः भिक्षकः
Bhikshukah.
beggar भिक्षुकः this is a beggar सः नृपः that is a king एषः बाल I'm not able to एषः
You have to wait. Okay, I have to move the screen.
this is a
Take some
student
time.
सः अध्यापकः that is a teacher.
Next person. Akankshaji. Abhyasa
Guru.
1. Please read. Ruktastanani purayantu.
Riktasthānāni pūrayantu.
Ruktastana means empty space, blank. Purayantu means please fill it up. Using the words Eshaha and Saha.
Ji Guru. Eshaha balakaha, this is a boy. Saha simhaha, that is a lion. Eshaha vruddhaha, this is an old man. Saha tarunaha, that is a young boy. Saha chashakaha, that is a glass.
Tarunaha, yeah, young person.
Yes, yes, Guru. Saha chashakaha, that is a glass. Eshaha ghataha, this is a pot. Eshaha meenaha, this is a fish. Saha makaraha, that is a crocodile.
Yeah. Next person, Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. Saha Shukaha, that is a parrot. Yeshaha Mayuraha, this is a peacock. Yeshaha Chandraha, this is a moon. Saha Suryaha, that is a sun. Saha Bitalaha, that is a cat. Saha Yeshaha Pukuraha, this is a dog. Yeshaha Gajaha, this is an elephant. Saha Bhushakaha, that is a dog.
Not dog, it is a Mushaka.
Mushakaha, mouse.
Mouse. Deepika ji. Dhyanena patantu.
Dhyanena pathantu. Esha balika, this is a girl. Sa balika, that is a girl. Esha lata, this is a creeper. This is a creeper. Sa lata, that is a creeper. Esha shatika, this is a sari. Sa shatika, that is a sari. Esha mala, this is a garland. Sa mala, that is a garland.
Subbalakshmi.
Yesha balika, this is a girl. Sa vruddha, that is an old woman. Yesha lata, this is a creeper. Sa gulika, that is galika, that is a bud.
Kalika.
Kalika, that is a bud.
Yes.
Yeshaka Shatika,
Yesha Shatika.
Shatika, this is a sari. Sa Petika, that is a box. Yesha Mala, this is a garland. Sa Devata, that is a god.
Goddess. Akanksha.
Goddesses, that is a goddesses.
Only one to goddess. Akanksha.
Ji Guru. Esha chhatra, this is a girl student. Sa adhyapika, that is a female teacher. Esha patrika, this is a magazine. Sa pustika, that is a book. Esha pathashala, this is a school. Sa goshala, that is a barn. Esha makshika, this is a housefly. Sa pipilika, that is an ant.
Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. Yesha Saraswati, this is Saraswati. Sa Parvati, that is Parvati. Yesha Janani, this is a mother. Sa Bahini, that is sister-in-law.
Sister.
Yesha, sister, okay. This is sister, sorry. Yesha Lekani.
That is sister. She is sister. That is or she is. She is sister.
She is, oh, okay. She is sister. Yesha Lekani, this is a pen. Sa Ankani, that is a pencil. Yesha Gati, this is a watch. Sa Kartari, that is a scissor. Yesha Darva, this is a spoon.
Darvi. Spoon.
Darvi, sorry. Yesha Darvi, this is a spoon. Sa Chalani, That is a what?
Sieve.
Seam.
That way is a ladle.
Oh,
Spoon is chamasa. This is a ladle what you use for cooking.
acha, okay.
This person, Deepika.
Ji,
Ruktastanani
Guruji.
purayantu, using the words Yesha, Sa.
Yes. Esha Lata, Sa Balika. This is a creeper, that is a girl. Esha Petika, Sa Shatika. This is a bag, that is a sari. Esha Sa Lekhani, Esha Ankani. That is a pen, and this is a pencil. Esha Churika, Sa Chalani. This is a knife, that is a sieve.
Yes. Next person, Subbalakshmi. Subbalakshmi.
It's not coming that side.
Your internet is slow.
Oh. Esha Kartari. That is a scissor. Sa Velani. That is a roller. Esha Mala. That is a garland. Sa Lata. That is a
Yesha Mala,
Creeper.
this is a garland. Sa Mala, that is a garland.
that is a creeper.
That is a
Esha
creeper, sorry.
Esha Gadihi. This is a clock. Sa Dvichakrika. That is a bicycle.
Yes, read. Next one.
Esha Adhyapika. That is now only I am seeing Gurji. That is a teacher, female teacher. Esha Chatra. That this is a student, female student.
Yes, next person. Akankshaji.
Ji,
Jnanena patantu. Now starts Napumsakalinga.
ji. Etat phalam. This is a fruit. Tat phalam. That is a fruit. Etat vimanam. This is a aeroplane. Tat vimanam. That is an aeroplane. Etat vyajanam. This is a fan. Tat vyajanam. That is a fan. Etat dugdham. This is milk. Tat dugdham. That is milk.
Next person, Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. Etat phalam. This is a mango. Tad pushpam. That is a flower. Etat vyajanam. This is a fan.
1 minute. Etat Vimanam.
Etat vimanam. This is an airplane. Tad lokayanam. That is a bus. Etat vyajanam. This is a fan. Tad bhavanam. Tad bhavanam. That is a building. That is a house.
It's a bungalow.
Bungalow. Etat duktam. This is the milk. Tad jalam. That is a water.
That is water. Deepika.
Ji, Guruji. Etat netram, this is a eye. Tat upanetram, that is a spectacles. Etat vatayanam, this is a window. Tat sopanam, this is a ladder. That is a ladder.
Yeah.
Etat gruham, this is a house. Tat udyanam, that is a garden. Etat parnam, this is a leaf. Tat sasyam, those are grass.
Crops.
Crops. Okay.
So sasyam means crops.
Okay.
Can note. Sasyam is crops. Next person, Subbalakshmi. Ruktastanani purayantu. Using the words etat, tat.
Etat Vimanam. This is aeroplane. Tat Relyanam. That is train. This is Eshaka. Etat Vatayanam. This is a window. Tat Vejanam. That is fan. Etat Graham. This is
No.
how.
Tat Vatayanam, etat
Tad Vatayanam.
Vijanam. That is a window, this is a fan.
Tat
Okay.
Graham. This is a.
Etat
Etat
Griham.
Graham. This is a house. Tat Mandiram. This is temple.
That is the temple.
That is, sorry. Tat Pushpam, that is flower. Etat Parnam, this is a leaf.
Yes. Next person, Akanksha ji.
Ji Guruji. Tat Udyan, sorry, Etat Udyanam, this is a garden. Tat Sopanam, that is a staircase. Tat Upanetram, that is a spectacle. Etat Chatram, this is an umbrella. Etat Pustakam, this is a book. Tat Kridanakam, that is a toy. Tat Netram, that is an eye. Etat Patram, this is a letter.
Maji, Abhyasa 4. You have to use the words now. See carefully. All the three genders are mixed up. Yeshaha, Yesha, Etat. Similarly, Saha, Sa, Tat.
Okay, okay. Yeshaha Balaha, this is a boy.
That is a boy. Saha, Balakaha. You can
Okay.
see the distance, right?
Okay, sorry. Yeshaha, sorry.
Saha, Balakaha.
Saha Balaha, that is a boy. That is a boy.
Hmm.
Griham. Etat Griham.
Yes.
This Sa Samadarva.
Sa not. It is close. You can see the distance between the hand symbol and the object. Distance is less compared to the other one.
Sorry, Guruji. Sa Yesha Samadarva.
Samadarvi.
Samadarvi, sorry. Yesha Samadarvi. Sa Padashala.
Patashala.
Patashala.
Okay, continue.
Etat Duktam.
Etat dugdham.
Duktam. Etat Duktam. Sa Nad. Sorry. Yesha Nadi.
Yes.
Yesha Chatra. Etat Parnam.
Tat paranam.
Tatu Parnam. Sorry.
Avadheyam.
Avadheyam.
No, not I'm asking not. I will read. Avadheyam is to be understood. The words are given. Yeshaha, Yesha, Etat, Saha, Satat. Already we have read. So he's saying Samipastasya Bodhanaya, that which are close. For that we can use the word Yeshaha, Yesha, Etat. Durastasya Bodhanaya. Durasta means that which are located far away. For that Saha, Sa, Tat, depending on the gender of the proper noun. Iti prayogaha bhavati. So these are the words which we have seen. You have to remember. You have to develop vocabulary. You know more words. In fact, these are simple words. Some of the words what we have seen is listing here. All the gender words are here. So when you see a word, you have to know which proper noun to be used in keeping with the gender, which proper noun, which vachanam, etc. Now Abhyasa 5. So we are going to do all this exercise quickly because we have spent a lot of time on this before. So it will not be a difficult thing for us. Little thinking only required. You can do it. So Abhyasa 5, Dattasthanani Purayantu, using the words, using the pronoun demonstrative pronouns. Eshaha, Esha, Etat, Saha, Sa, Tat. Who is the next person? So, Deepika ji.
Ji,
Yeah,
Guruji.
please do.
Etat mandiram.
You can
tat-
read left hand side, right hand side.
Okay. Yes. Etat mandiram. Esha balika. Etat phalam. Etat pushpam.
No, you can read one on the left, one on the right. 1, 16, 2, 17, 3, 18.
Oh, okay. So, etat mandiram. Tat mandiram. Esha balika. Sa balika.
Good.
Etat phalam. Tat phalam. Etat pushpam. Tat pushpam. Eshaha vanaraha. Saha vanaraha.
Subbalakshmi ji.
Eshaka Mahishi,
Eshaha Magishi. Is
Sa
it correct?
Mahishi.
Think.
Yesha Mahishi, Sa Mahishi.
You read slowly, okay?
Okay,
Don't read in a
okay.
hurry. Yes.
Yeshaka Ballukah, Saha Ballukah. Etat Bhavanam, Tat Bhavanam. Eshaka Vyagraha, Tat Vyagraha.
Tat
Etat-
Vyagraha. Is it Tat Vyagraha?
No. Saha Vyagraha. Etat Pustakam, Tat Pustakam. Eshaka
Next
Simhaha,
person. Akanksha ji.
Saha Simhaha.
Next person. Akanksha ji, you can do.
Yes, Guruji. Esha adhyapika, sa adhyapika. Eshaha balakah, sah balakah. Esha chhatra, sa chhatra. Eshaha vruddhah, sah vruddhah.
Good. Abhyasa 6. So, the same thing. Eshaha, Esha, Etat, Saha, Sa, Tat. So you can see Suryaha Pustakam, these words are given. So you have to use the words, use the demonstrative, appropriate demonstrative pronoun, Eshaha, Esha, Etat. So Akanksha ji, you can do. You can see the
Ji,
box, Suryaha Pustakam.
Ji.
Yeah, that box you can complete. Yeah.
Ji. Eshaha suryah, etat pustakam, esha nadi, etat vastram, esha sarika, etat nakshatram, esha lekhani, eshah vrishabhah, esha lata, eshah varunah, eshah vrikshah, etat phalam, etat patram, etat chitram, etat vyajanam.
Simple. Next person, Umaji. On the right hand side, the words are, the demonstrative pronouns are Saha, Sa, Tat, and the words are listed. Proper nouns, Chandraha, Lekika.
Okay.
So you have to use appropriate. Read slowly, don't do any mistakes. Slowly read.
Okay. Saha Chandraha, Sa Lekika. Tad Jalam, Tad Shariram. Saha Mrikaha,
Mrigaha,
Mrigaha. Saha Akashaha. Sa Pustika. Saha Ashwaha. Saha Vrikshaha. Saha Yamaha. Tad Parnam. Tad Pushpam. Sa Lekani. Sa Padaraksha. Saha Deepaha.
yes. What is Padaraksha?
Chappals.
Next one. Already we have done this. Okay, this exercise is also simple one. Let us leave that. I have to show both the page. It's difficult. But we can do also, let us see. So Abhyasa 7. For 1, 5, 6, 8, 12, for these numbers, Yeshaha, Yesha, Etat, you have to use. For 2, 3, 4, 7, 9, 10, you have to use the pronouns Saha, Sa, Tat, and write down here. The words are given, Palam. So I have to show you both back and going forward and backward. Let us do like this. On the left hand side, you use Yeshaha, Yesha, Etat. And the right hand side, you can use Saha, Sa, Tat. Okay, now start from Subbalakshmi. Read 10, read up to 5. Okay, yeah, please continue.
Etat Palam. I have to read the 16th one or?
Yeah, 16th one.
Tat Udyanam.
Okay.
Eshaka Gataha Sa Patashala. Eshaka Swarnakaraka Tat Vatayanam. Eshaka Deepaka Sa Shatika.
Yeah.
Yesha Patrika Saha Ballukaha.
Next person. Akanksha ji.
जी गुरुजी। एतत् पुष्पं सः मयूरः, एषः वृक्षः, सा कथा, एषा अध्यापिका, सा छात्रा, एतत् पर्णं, तत् नेत्रम्, एषः बिडालः, सा दर्वी।
Good. Next person. Umaji, number 11.
Yes, Guruji. Yeshaha Ashwaha Saha Shukaha Yesha Pustika Sa Gati Yetat Singhasanam
Simhasanam.
sorry Simhasanam Saha Samudraha Yeshaha Vanaraha Yesha Suchi
Sa Suchi.
sorry Sha Suchi Yetat Upanetram Sa Lekika.
Yes. So the exercise is done. The next one, this also we know very well using the interrogative pronouns. Kaha, ka, kim. Dhyanena patantu. Deepika ji.
Yes, Guruji. Eshaha kaha. Who is this? Eshaha Swarnakaraha. This is goldsmith. Kaha, Saha kaha. Who is that? Saha Lohkaraha. He is
Good. Ironsmith.
Jiguri ironsmith. Yes. Eshaha kaha. Who is this? Eshaha Malakaraha. He is a garland maker. Saha kaha. Who is that? Saha Kumbhakaraha. He is a pot maker. Eshaha kaha. Who is he? Eshaha Hastipakaha. Eshaha Mahav. Saha kaha. Who is that? Saha Gopalakaha. He is the shepherd.
Shepherd. Next person. Subbalakshmi ji. Subbalakshmi ji. Not there. Okay, next person. Akanksha ji, can read.
जी गुरुजी। एषः कः? Who is this? एषः रजकः. He is a washerman. सः कः? Who is that? सः तक्षकः. He is a carpenter. एषः कः? Who is this? Eshaha Arakshakaha. He is a policeman. Saha Kaha. Who is that? Saha Sainikaha. That is a soldier. Eshaha Kaha. Who is this? Eshaha Vidushakaha. This is a clown. Saha Kaha. Who is that? Saha Udyana Palakaha. That is a gardener. Eshaha Kaha. Who is this? Eshaha Nyayadhishaha. He is a judge. Saha Kaha. Who is that? Saha Archakaha. That is a priest.
Good. Next person, Umaji. Uttarani likantu. Uttarani is answer. You have to write the answer to the questions.
Okay. Yeshaha kaha. Who is this? Yeshaha nardakaha.
Nartakaha.
Nartakaha. This is a dancer. Saha kaha. Who is that? Saha gayakaha. He is a singer. Yeshaha kaha. Who is this? Yeshaha sainikaha. He is a tailor.
No. We have to read proper. Sauchikaha is that.
Sorry, Sauchikaha.
Sainikaha is soldier.
Soldier, sorry. Sauchikaha, he is a tailor. Saha kaha, who is that? Saha kumbhakaraha, he is a potter.
What? Yeah. Okay.
Yeshaha kaha, who is this? Yeshaha divaraha, he is a fisherman. Saha kaha, who is that? Saha vyadaha, he is a that is what? Hunter, okay. Yeshaha kaha, who is this? Yeshaha chalakaha, he is a driver. Saha kaha, who is that? Saha patravakaha, he is a postman.
Good. Next person, Deepikaji. Dhyanena patantu.
Eshaka. Who is that? Who is she?
Who is she?
Who is she? Esha Britya. She is a servant, maid. Yeah.
Servant.
Saka.
Yeah.
Who is that? Sa Sikshika. She is a lady teacher. Eshaka. Who is that? Who is she? Esha Vaidya. She is a doctor. Saka. Who is that? Sa Lekhika. That is a writer, female writer. Eshaka. Who is this? What is this? Esha Makshika. This is a fly. Shaka. What is that? Sa Pipilika. That is an ant. Eshaka. What is this? Esha Sthalika. This is a plate. Saka. What is that? Sa Dvichakrika. That is a bicycle.
Good. Next person. Subbalakshmi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please read.
Esha ka. Who is that? Who is this?
Who is this?
Esha Grahani. Who is this?
Grihini.
Esha Grihini. She is a housewife. Sa ka. Who is that? Sa Sanyasi. She is a saint.
Sannyasini.
Sanyasini. She is a saint. Esha ka. Who is this? Esha Putri. She is a daughter. Sa ka. Who is that? Sa Janani. That is a mother. Esha ka. Esha Samadagini. Samarjini. That is a broom.
Broomstick.
Broomstick. Sa ka. What is that? Sa Droni. That is a bucket. Esha ka, what is this? Esha Samadarvi. This is a
It's a ladle.
uh,
What do you call? This is a Samadarvi. Darvi is a ladle. Sama is that which is has got flat on both sides. It's used for making dosa and all. That's a ladle. That's called Samadarvi. Or shovel. It's a shovel called Samadarvi. Not a shovel. Sorry, shovel is different. This is
Spatulas.
spatula.
yeah.
Mm.
Yes. Please read.
Sa,
Mm.
what is that? Sa kartari, that is a scissor.
Yes. Next person. Akanksha. Uttarani likantu. Now you have to ask question. That's a uttara. Asking question is the answer.
Asking question only. Esha ka. Esha ka.
Sorry, you have to write the answer. Okay. Questions are there, answer you have to write.
जी गुरुजी.
Yeah.
एषा का, एषा गायिका. सा का, who is that? Sa upacharika. She is a nurse.
Yes.
Esha ka, what is this? Esha tula. This is a scale. Sa ka, what is that? Sa madhumakshika. That is a honeybee. Esha ka, what is this? Esha griha godhika. This is a lizard. Sa ka, what is that? Sa lata. That is a creeper. Esha ka, what is this? Esha suchi. This is a needle. Sa ka, what is that? Sa punaha purani. That is an ink pen. Is
Punah
that right?
Purani. Yeah. Punaha Purani. Punaha is again. Purani is filler. It means refiller. Refiller.
Refill. Okay.
So Punah Purani, you have to read like
Punah
that.
Purani.
Yes.
Yes. Esha ka, what is this? Esha patra suchi. This is a
Needle.
needle. Okay. Sa ka, what is that? Sa velani. That is a roller.
Roller. Next person. Umaji. Dhyanena patantu.
Yes, Guruji. Etat kim. What is this? Etat bhavanam. This is a bangla. Tad kim. What is that? Tad mandiram. That is a mandir. Etat kim. Next one. Okay. Etat kim. What is this? Yes, correct. Etat kim. What is this? Etat vatayanam. This is the window. Tat kim. What is that? Tat shobhanam. That is a upstairs.
Sopanam.
Shobhanam. That is a steps. Etat kim. Etat kim. What is this? Etat chatram. This is an umbrella. Tat kim. What is that? Tat nakshatram. That is a star. Etat kim. What is this? Etat kamalam. That is this is the lotus. Tat kim. What is that? Tat champakam. That is champaka pushpa. Etat kim. What is this? Etat yutakam. This is a shirt. Tat kim. What is that? Tat urukam. Urukam.
Yes.
That is a short pant.
Trouser. Okay. Deepika. Chitrani drishtva uttarani likantu. You have to write the answer seeing the chitra.
Yes, Guruji. Etat kim, etat parnam. What is that? What is this? This is a leaf. Tam kim, tat kim. What is that? Tat mukham. That is a mouth. Etat kim. What is this? Etat kridanakam. That this is a toy. Tat kim, what is that? Tat chakram, that is a wheel. Etat kim, what is this? Etat udaram, this is a stomach. Tat kim, what is that? Tat hridayam, that is a heart. Etat kim, what is this? Etat panasam, that is a jackfruit. Tat kim, what is that? Tat alukam, that is a potato.
Yes, next person, Subbulakshmi.
Etat kim, what is this? Etat amram, this is mango. Tat kim, what is that? Tat tadimam, that is pomegranate.
Dadimam.
Tadimam, that is pomegranate.
Dadimam.
Tadimam, that is pomegranate.
Yeah.
Tat kim, what is that? Tat kadali phalam, that is banana. Etat kim, what is this? Etat lashunam, this is garlic. Etat kim, what is this? Etat vajanam, this is a fan. Etat kim, what is that?
Tat kim, what is
Kim,
that?
sorry. Tat kim, what is that? Tat kamalam, that is a lotus. Tat kim, what is that? Tat padam shukam, that's a pant.
Yes.
Tat kim, etat kim, sorry. Etat kim, what is this? Etat karam shukam.
Karam shikam.
Karam shukam, it's a shirt.
Yeah, full hand.
Full
Karam
hand.
shikam. Full hand shirt.
Shirt. Full hand.
Next person. Akanksha ji.
Ji Guruji.
The next exercise. Chitrani drishtva uttarani likantu.
Esha.
The answers are not given, so you have to know it. So vocabulary development. Yes.
Eshah kaha. Eshah mushakah. Sah kaha. Sah bidalah. Eshah kaha. Eshah mayurah. Sah kaha. Sah shukah. Eshah kaha. Eshah meshah. Sa ka. Sa aja. एशा का एशा छात्रा सा का सा अध्यापिका.
Good. Next person. Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. Which one I want to read, Guruji?
1 minute. 1 minute. Yes.
Okay. Yes. Etat kim. Etat kim. What is this? Etat kamalam. This is lotus. Sorry, this is not lotus. This is rose.
This is a rose,
Rose.
not Kamala. What is the
Yes.
word for rose?
Rose means
Patalam.
patalam. Okay.
Or simply can say, if you don't know, Pushpam, you can say.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Etat Pushpam.
Etat pushpam. Tat kim. What is that? Tat amrapalam. That is a mango. Etat kim. What is this? Etat netram. This is an eye. Tat kim. What is this? Tat
What is that? Tat
Udar.
Kim.
tat kim. What is that? Tat udaram. That
Udaram.
is what is I don't know. So what is
Udaram is stomach.
yes, stomach? What is this for lips? I don't know.
Mukha.
What? What's that?
Mouth.
Mukham.
Mukam. Okay. Tat mukam. That is a face. Eshaha kaha.
Not face. This is a mukham can mean face, mukham can mean lips also.
Okay.
Or the word for lips is oshta also, but here is since it's asking tat kim, therefore you can say mukham.
Mukam. Oh, okay. Eshaha kaha. What is this? Eshaha. What is doing? Goldsmith.
Yes.
Eshaha. Eshaha Swarnakarha.
Good.
That is, this is goldsmith. Saha kaha. What is that? Saha.
Who is that?
Who is that? Saha. He is an ironsmith. Oh, ironsmith means what? What is in Sanskrit?
We saw that. You have to tell me.
Yeah.
Lokakaraha. We have read this before.
Yes, I don't know.
You have to remember.
Yes.
Lokakaraha. Next one. Continue.
Lokakaraha. Yesha ka. Who is this? Yesha Nardaki.
Not Nardaki. Nartaki.
Nartaki.
Not Narda. Narta.
Nartaki.
Nartaki. Dakara problem.
Okay. Nartaki.
Yes.
She is a dancer. Sa ka. What is that? Sa Dichakrika. That is a bicycle.
Next person. Deepika.
Ji.
So, now here, this is what, here you have to write the question. The answer
Yes.
is the question. Riktasthanani purayantu. Seeing the uttaram, you have to write the answer. Okay. Yeah, please do. You can read one on the left and on the right. So 172839.
Yes, Guruji. Esha ka, Esha Malini. Esha ka, Esha Adhyapika. Esha kah, Esha Ganeshah. Esha kah, Esha Krishakah. Esha ka, Esha Bala. Esha kah, Esha Vriddhah. Etat ke.
Etat-
Sorry, etat kim.
Hmm.
Etat vimanam. Esha ka, Esha Ganga. Etat kim, etat pushpam. Esha kah, Esha tarunah.
Next person. Subbalashmi ji, number 6.
Yeshaka kaha, Eshaka Sureshaka. Etat kim, etat nakaram. Sureshaka, name of a person.
Yes.
Saha kaha, what is that? Saha Suryaka. Saha kaha, Saha Buddha.
Swarnakaraha. Can
I
read on
am reading the next one. Saha kaha, Saha Swarnakaraha. Sa ka, Sa Malati.
Saha
Sa
on the
ka,
left hand side. Saha Kaha Saha Buddha 1829. You read the same way as we have read before.
okay. Sa ka, Sa Nartaki. Saha kaha, Saha Shivaka. Sa ka, Sa Nayika. Saha kaha, Saha Moham Padaha.
Muhammad. Yes.
Muhammadaha. Tat kaha, Tat Karavastaram.
Tat Kaha.
Tat kim, sorry. Tat kim, Tat Karavastaram. That is a kerchief. Sa ka, Sa Latika. Latika, I don't know.
Latika is the creeper. Lata creeper is a bird. Latika. Next person. Next person is
Me Guruji, Akanksha.
please read.
Saha kaha, saha chhatrah. Tat kim, tat kanitram.
Kanitram
Kanitram
is
is
digging machine. Kanitram.
Okay. Tat kim tat mandiram. Etat kim etat karavastram.
Then Abhyasa 16.
Etat kim etat relayanam. Sah kaha sah janakaha. Tat kim tat sthanakam. Esha ka esha agraja. Eshah kaha eshah sudhakhandah. Tat kim tat jalam. Sa ka sa janani. Sa ka sa putri.
Good. Next person. Umaji.
Guruji, what is meaning of Sudhakhanda?
Chalk pieces.
Chalk piece.
Oh, okay.
Yeshaha, Abhyasaha 17. Yeshaha kaha, Yeshaha putraha. What is this? Who is this?
this?
Sorry, who is this? This is a son. Sa ka, sa lata. Who is this? She is a lata. She is a creeper or she is a lata. Tad kim, tad mandiram. Who is that? That is temple. Saha.
No. Here 1 and 6.
Yes.
What 6 is, here 1 is Eshaha is there, therefore you can use Eshaha. Esha ka, Esha lata.
Oh, okay. Yesha. Yesha ka, Yesha lata. Okay, okay. Tat kim, tat mandiram. What is that? That is a temple. Saha kaha, saha anujaha. What is that? That is.
Who is that?
Who is that? That is sister.
Anujaha is brother, younger brother.
Okay, younger brother. Sorry, younger brother. Yesha ka, Yesha Durga. Who is this? This is Durga, Durga Mata. Sa ka, sa Sita. Who is that? That is Sita. Yeshaha kaha, Yeshaha Javaharha. Who is this? This is Javaharha means what? What, Guruji?
Name of the person.
Name of the person. Okay. That is Javakar.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Oh, Jawaharlal. Okay. Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay. Yesha Indira. Yesha ka, Yesha Indira. Who is this? This is Indira. Etat kim, etat ganitram.
Kanitram. Still problem is you're not correcting. Kanitram, not ganitram.
Kanitram. Etat kanitram. This is kanitram means we don't know.
Kanitram, many times it came. So when I give the vocabulary, I don't know whether you are writing. You have to note it down. Kanitram is digging machine. Anujaha, did you write? We'll have the same question next class. Anujaha, you have to write.
Anujaha means brother.
What brother?
Sorry.
Tell me what brother? Anujaha.
Younger brother.
Younger brother. Then younger sister?
Anuja.
Elder brother?
Agraja.
Agrajaha.
Agrajaha.
Elder sister is Agraja.
Agraja.
Okay, continue. The last one.
Tat kim, tat vijanam. What is that? That is fan.
Fan. Okay. Next person, Deepika ji.
Jai Guruji.
You have to ask question and answer. So the table is given, the Ballukaha Devata.
Okay.
So
Huh.
you have to use
Like,
these words, Eshaha, Esha, Etat. These
okay.
pronouns, these demonstrative pronouns you can use. And Kim Kaha Ka. That is the
Okay.
question. Yeah.
Like Pallukaha. So Kaha,
Eshaha Kaha.
Eshaha Kaha, Eshaha Pallukaha, Devata. Eshaha,
Esha.
Esha Ka, Esha Devata.
Devata.
Esha Ka, Esha Mala. Esha,
Same thing.
Esha
Ankani.
Ka, yeah. Esha Ka, Esha Ankani. Eshaha Kaha, Eshaha Dhivaraha. एषः कः एषः विदूषकः एषा का एषा द्रोणी एषा का एषा दर्वी एतत् किम् एतत् युक्तम्
Uttakam.
युतकम् एषा का एषा गोशाला एतत् किम् एतत् दाडिमम् एषा का एषा अध्यापिका.
Good. Next person, Subbalakshmi ji. You have to use the demonstrative pronouns Saha, Sa, Tat. Similarly, interrogative pronouns Kim, Kaha, Ka.
सा का सा द्विचक्रिका किम
Tat Kim.
तत् किम तत् कृष्णफलकं, that is a blackboard. सः कः सः हरिणः सा का सा सम्मार्जनी सा का सा कर्कटी
Karkati.
कर्कटी
Crab.
सः कः सः आम्रवृक्षः सः कः सः नृपः तत् किं तत् सोपानम् सा का सा पुनःपूरणी
Punaf Purani. Refill.
सः कः पुनःपूरणी
Refill. We saw that before.
yes. सः कः सः अध्यापकः सः कः सः वानरः तत् किं तत् वातायनं. That's a journal. That's a window.
Window. Okay. So next one, we'll do it in the next class. Tritiya Stabakaha. We know this. Rama Shabda and all we learned. Please know memorize the Shabdas. Rama Shabda, whole Shabda. The class we chanted only the Pratama Vibhakti, but we know all the Vibhaktis. Keep chanting it every day. When we see Dvitiya Vibhakti, it will be useful. Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
So we stop here. So we have done a lot of abhyasa, a lot of practices. So you must be clear when to use this Eshaha, Esha, Tat, and Saha, Sa, etc. All those things. Similarly, the vocabulary part. Already in the book, Sthalava Samskrita Patanam, what is in the PDF, a lot of words are there, and here also those words. And whatever the words are here, you will see the words keep coming again and again. So remember the words, be useful for translation. And we were doing some translation work. That please continue that. That also we will do. So I hope would have done this. These are 2 hours, remember? This is
Yes, yes,
where
Guruji.
we
Up to 20. Up to 20 we have done.
yeah, this is where we are supposed to start. We will continue. We will do this after reading this Rashtriya Sanskrit Samsthan book.
Okay, Guruji.
Up to some exercise we will do. After that, we'll come back and continue. Yeah. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद
धन्यवाद.
गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद, Guruji.
धन्यवाद
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
धन्यवाद.